My name is Dhruv. I am an engineer. I have done my graduation from NIT Kurukshetra in mechanical engineering. Since then, I was working for Capgemini in R&D development department, research and development department. So after that, I got to know that there is nothing new for me in that company, and at that time, my friend told me about AnalytixLabs, that this is a platform that you can get a diverse knowledge of a particular field for data science and deep learning. So basically, at that time, I joined AnalytixLabs in the course of PG certification in data science, and there I got to know many things. And after completing the course of almost 8 months, I have joined Indigo through Analytics Labs only. So it was a fun journey. I have done real life projects there that I have been doing in this current company of Indigo Aviation. The main factor was the course, the curriculum, and that is present in Analytics Labs. That was the main priority for me. After that, I have seen there are many assignments, real life projects that they offer, Analytics Labs offer. That's why I decided to choose this platform. Although it's not the platform, I know my teachers till now from the terms, term 2.1, 2.2, also the term 1. So it's not just about teacher and student, it's just about like how we interact. Like I could ask anything any number of times. So that was main priority, and that was given by Analytics Labs. So I am grateful to this platform, Analytics Labs, from bottom of my heart. At the time of doing the course, like I was learning everything. I was given the projects. I was applying the same knowledge. But amazing part is this, that after joining Indigo, I'm getting the same things. Currently, I'm using Power BI for data visualization, Python for everything, data sorting and data manipulation and everything. And SQL, I'm using for extracting the data that is there in the server. In earlier days, I remember there are many times that I faced challenge while doing the case studies, but after doing so many case studies, it was like day-to-day work. I tried not to take the help, but to my surprise, there was also a faculty for that. So we have tutorial classes that we have twice on the week. And Diksha ma'am was there, and also for term 2.1, Kshitij Arjun sir was there. So they helped me to cope up with the challenges that I faced during case studies. So I can give three highlights. First thing is, I'm not that kind of serious person that is regularly doing everything, but the deadlines that analytics provide help me a lot. That's because I'm not so enthusiastic like you have to do it in this much time. Analytics provide me that deadline, so that made me habitual to such kind of project that I do now. Second highlight I would like to give is the basics. Sandeep sir of Turn 2.1, he has given a strong basics about the Python, and for machine learning that I got many interview questions were from Turn 2.2, and Turn 2.2 teacher was Ramendra sir, and he has given a strong, very nice foundation that no one can forget in his entire life. That was second highlight. That is again very useful for me. It was absolutely a nice journey. After completing the course, I got my certificate. I was really happy and searching for the job. But on the same time, Analytics Labs was also searching for the job for me. And that was again a bonus for me. Like I was happy that I joined Indigo, and the invitation for that particular interview was through AnalytixLabs only. So this institute helped me a lot. So the placement process was simple. I have completed everything. I worked with every concept that they have taught me. And after completing the curriculum, I was mainly searching for the job. So there's a portal in this analytics lab in the profile. So are you searching for a job? There's an option. So I have clicked yes, I was searching for a job. After that, I got notification on my email that you have been shortlisted for Indigo. I was curious to know like how I am shortlisted for this Indigo, and I came to know this was Analytics Lab. Due to that, I got shortlisted, and there's one more guy who was shortlisted for this role. After that, I gave some interviews with Indigo. I think it was 4th of September when I got the notification that you have been shortlisted for the next round of Indigo. And after 2 interviews, I was in Indigo. On 23rd September, I have entered the Indigo. Actually, it is going pretty well. The colleagues in this Indigo are surprised to know that I know many such things that they or don't know. They have been working from 3 to 4 years, and still I am better in many ways from them. I have used Power BI for presentations. For data extraction, I used SQL, and for data manipulation and algorithm simulations, I have used Python. So that was pretty much used here for revenue development in Indigo. Advice would be yes, you can join. You will never be disappointed. There would be many projects that you will get, and you will get to work on it. So you need to get some inference from the projects. So just don't do the projects, just learn why we did and what can happen if we do something else that will make some difference